In this tutorial, we will teach you how to create a font. For professional results, you need applications such as Adobe Illustrator and Inkscape, but there are other alternatives out there. For example, you can log on to Fontstruct.com, which contains character models for over 20 different languages. Let's start by creating an account here first. For that, click on the Sign Up Now button. Type in the username, email address, and password. You'll have to agree to the terms of use before moving on with the process. After typing in the CAPTCHA verification, move to your email inbox and click on the link to complete your registration. Now that we've created an account here, let's start creating our own font. Let's sign in with the username and password and click on the Create New Fontstruction button here. First of all, you'll have to start with naming the font. After that, the Font Editor graphical interface will open up. Below, you have all the letters and characters appearing as different tabs over here. The idea is that each letter is created in a different tab. On the left side, you have the different styles of bricks to choose from. Let's select one of the bricks, and with the pen tool selected, let's draw a straight line consisting of 3 bricks. Now let's pick up the eraser tool from the toolbar, and all you have to do is make a selection, and all the objects that will be erased will be highlighted in blue. Simply release the mouse, and the bricks will be removed. Now let's start drawing the first letter. We will use the same brick that we picked up previously to draw the letter A on the canvas. Next up, we will click on the B tab from the panel below to draw that letter. Over here, we will pick up the rectangle tool and draw it over the canvas like so. With that done, let's pick up the eraser tool and remove some of the bricks to form the letter B. Similarly, you can use other tools to draw the different characters. For example, the line tool can also be used to draw straight lines. Over here, we'll be using that tool to create the letter V like so. You can even use the Select tool to make a selection and move bricks around the canvas like so. Similarly, you also have to complete the small letters, numbers, and punctuation marks. Once done, click on the Preview button and you will be shown all the letters that you have filled up. For demonstration purposes, we've only completed a few of the characters. On top, you have the Real-Time Editor window where you can use the newly created font. You can even choose to save and download the font. The file will be downloaded in a zip format. So simply extract the zip file and install the font. And now you can use any text editor like Microsoft Word, etc. to apply the font to the text. You can also choose to create a font using the Private Character Editor application available in Windows. The application is present in the Windows folder. So let's open up My Computer, move to the C drive, and open up the Windows folder. From here, we will move to the System32 folder, and over here we will open up the eudc-edit.exe application, which is the Private Character Editor application. When the application is launched, you will first see the Select Code window. This window associates the character you're about to create with a particular position in the Windows character library. The numbers are hexadecimal codes that will be allotted to your new character. Select any of the little gray boxes and click on OK. The interface is basically a grid drawing area with the drawing toolbar on the left side. You can also access the drawing tools from the Tools menu and move over to the Items section. You can use an existing character as a template to create a new character. Simply copy the existing character to the grid by moving to the Edit menu and clicking on the Copy Character option. From here, you can select the character you want to work on. An existing character can also be used as a visual guide in a reference window next to the Edit grid. For that, you have to move to the Window menu and click on the Reference option. From here, you can select the character, and it will appear in the reference window. Each character that you draw becomes a black and white bitmap image. Let's show you what we mean by that. Let's pick up the Rectangle tool and use the left mouse button to draw in black over the letter C like so. With that done, now we can use the right mouse button to draw in white the edges of the letter, like so. When finished with the new character, let's move to the Edit menu and click on the Save Character As option. The character gets saved into the position chosen in the Select Code window. You can even use the Select Code option from the Edit menu to move from one character to another. To use the created characters, we have to access the Character Map application. For that, open up the Start menu, search for Character Map, and open up the application. Over here, move to the Fonts menu and choose the All Fonts Private Characters option. And there you can see that the character we created earlier is now being displayed. Simply select the character from the grid and copy it. Now you can open up any text editor such as Microsoft Word and paste the character there. Over here, let's increase the font size a bit, and there you can see the character has been successfully copied to Microsoft Word. And that's it. Thanks for watching. This was a HowTech.tv tutorial.